nutritionist. She's also the author of books Unjunked and Super Kids. Also with us is Rohan Sehgal. He's the creator of Sugar Spike Show. Now, Rohan is famous as being the guy who tests his sugar spike after every food that he consumes. He's using his body as an experiment, has a lot of insights on what actually spikes your glucose levels. And a lot of times, the culprits are hidden. You don't even realize they have so much of sugar. So let me give the first word to Suman Agarwal. Then Suman, it's very interesting how people think that मैं तो फीकी चाय पीता हूँ. I don't use sugar at all. Or people who say कि मैं तो जी मिठाई मैंने छोड़ दी है. But even they don't realize that how sugar is sort of wolfed in, itself in different forms and different food items and is in your kitchen, on your plate without you realizing it at all. Could you name a few of these dishes for us which have sort of taken you off guard as well when your clients brought it up to you?
Yeah, Sonal. So I mostly hear, oh, have given up sugar in my tea, coffee, but they definitely had that sugar-free date mithai. They will
Yeah.
go for that. Then they will always have like a cake which is made with orange juice. So they're trying to tell themselves that they're not having any sugar, or they'll have plate full of fruits, which is fructose. So this is
Mm,
my debate with every client in the same manner that your brain does not get tricked because it needs that little bit sugar if you have taken it from childhood. But if you don't
mm,
take it from young age, then your
mm,
body, your palate does not want it. Or as you said, that they have to train the palate to bring the sugar requirement down. Instead of
mm,
having with every meal, bring it down to maybe a cup of tea, coffee with little
mm,
sugar. As you mentioned,
mm.
5% is also according to me more. What a person
Ah.
should do is
Mm,
max 2 teaspoons of sugar, jaggery, honey, date, etc. And they should never cross this two teaspoon rule. That will
mm,
control their desire to have desserts or in form of chocolates, etc. And
mm,
they can lead a healthy life without diabetes, PCOS,
mm,
insulin resistance,
mm,
which everything comes with that, obesity.
mm.
So
Yeah.
that is my thumb rule. But if someone wants to give up sugar completely in every form, which is
Mm,
ketchup and syrups and honey and jaggery and desserts,
mm,
then
mm,
they should completely give it up. It takes your body or your palate 40 days to train. And after
mm.
40 days, your requirement for sugar or the desire for sugar goes down.